How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on the plus button at the bottom. Then at the bottom, click on Reel. And then select the videos you want to add. After that, press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then add music if you want. If not, press on Skip. After that, it will open this page. In here, click on Edit Video at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, between two videos, you will find a white box. Simply click on the white box between the videos. From here, you can choose transition, like zoom, blur, and others. After you're done, press on Apply to All if you want to apply to all, otherwise just press Done, and transition will be added to your Instagram Reel. This is how to add transitions to Instagram Reels. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.